morning everyone. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. We have just a few changes this week in our work, but it's basically the same. So I just wanted to show you a screencast of what exactly you're going to be seeing this week. So you have your morning meeting slides, which you get to through classwork, morning meeting, and clicking on those slides. So you got to hopefully the teacher video, and then instead of Padlet this week for our greeting and share, we're going to use a new tool called Flipgrid. And Flipgrid will now let you video record your greeting and your response. And it has some really fun features as well. So when you get to Flipgrid, it'll say start by greeting your classmates, then share about your weekend. So I would click on the picture, click on the link. You're going to need to log in with Google. Hopefully your account will come up. If not, it's the same one you use for iReady and Google Classroom. So we have our page of morning meeting, greeting, and shares. You're going to scroll down. You'll see my directions. Say hello to your friends, then tell us something about your weekend. I'll keep scrolling, and this green plus sign is going to be how you record your response. That's what you would click, and your video would come up. I have a sample video here that you can watch first, and that will show you some of the fun features. You can put stickers on top of your video after you record, you can write on it, and you can type or color on it. So have some fun sharing with your friends about your weekend while also playing around with some of the features in Flipgrid. So then I'm going to go back to morning meeting, go through the spotlight, and our feelings check-in. Now what you want to do is make sure you go back to that classwork tab when you are finished and click View Assignment, and you want to make sure you turn it in. This way I get an alert that you are finished, and I can come in and immediately give you feedback on how it went. Maybe I answer a question that you had or a story that you told. So make sure you turn it into me so that I get an alert that it's finished. Okay, after our morning meeting, we're going to go back to classwork. And we're going to go to our all work slides. These are basically the same as last week. Click right on the Google Slides. There's just a minor change. The only thing that's different this week is instead of doing 20 minutes of timed iReady math, all you need to do is complete one lesson from start to finish. That's from the teaching video all the way until you take the quiz that tells you if you passed that lesson or not. Other than that, independent reading, you can read a book at home, Epic, and here's our class link, Learning A to Z as well. You have a reading video to watch for your lesson and a Padlet to visit that's going to ask you to react to that video in your point of view. So then we go back and you will have a brain break. Math, once again, is no longer 20 minutes. You're welcome to do more than one lesson or 20 minutes, but typically one lesson is about 15 minutes. You have a math lesson video, 2 activities. We're now moving into surveys, graphs, and data out of measurement. And then you have a social studies junior achievement video to watch. Once again, since we do it every day now, you're going to go back to classwork, view assignment, and make sure you turn it in. Then I can give you feedback and let you know if there's anything that you missed or what you did really well on. So have a great Monday, everyone. I hope everything goes well. If anyone needs anything, make sure that you send me an email or try to contact me through Google Hangouts. Everybody have a good Monday.